everyone, this is Marcia from Marcia's Fab Life, and today I'm going to do a Poundland haul on the Halloween stuff. So make sure you like, comment and subscribe. I really appreciate it. So I'm going to crack on with the video now. So basically I bought this, yeah, it is a tea light holder, and this was £1. So you can see it's got the hole at the back. Yeah, that's for £1. So I thought I'd show you this one. And also I got from Poundland as well, the witch's hat. Obviously it can't fit on my head right now because of my hair. But yeah, this one was £1. Yeah, so I thought that was a good steal as well. And I've got another felt bag, and this one is £1 as well. So it's got like, it's a little spider with little moving eyes in it, and this is felt as well. So I thought that was a good buy for £1, you know, for trick-or-treating. And I also did get this little duck, but this one's a monster duck, and this one's £1 as well. Yeah, it's got quite a lot of design onto it still, and that's quite good for £1. And I also did get this pumpkin Mandarin scent, and this one was £1 as well, and it smells quite nice as well. Actually, £1, it's not bad, you know. It's quite it's got like a little spice to it actually, this candle, but it's not bad, and it's in, you know, ceramic, and it's £1. About 100 times I'm saying £1. And I also did get this bat ears. Yeah, this one was £1, you know. Thought that was a good one as well. That was a good steal. So I thought I'd show you that one. And then also I picked up, they don't just have red, they also got the black one as well. So yeah, this one's £1 as well. At same price. And I also picked up these paper lanterns. You get 2, and this was £1, and these are like little ghosts on it. Yeah, which I thought was a good buy, you know. Obviously you get 2, and that's for £1. And I picked up another duck again. This one's more of a pumpkin. The other one was a monster, and this one was £1 again. Yes, it's got the pumpkin on the belly. Yeah, and that as well. And I've got this another basket, a felt one as well, and this one is £1 as well. I thought the Poundland is really going on with a lot of things, you know, this year for the Halloween. I didn't realise it's so much. And I also got this one as well. This is another one, but this one's got the googly eyes on it. The other one, the pumpkin, didn't. So this is a felt one again, and this one was £1, and it's a bat as well. And I picked up these pumpkin decorations, and that one was £1. I thought this was really quite nice actually. And you get 2 in a pack as well, the same thing like you got with a lantern. You get this, you get 2 of these. Yeah. And I also picked up this pumpkin as well, and this is the same scent as the gold one, and this is £1 for this one as well. And it's got like a little cover thing like the other one. This is that pumpkin shape again. And I picked up one of these little gnomes. I know some of the Poundlands have got these in stock as well, these little gnomes. Yeah, this one's a little bit, you know, it might be good for, you know, maybe Christmas time as well. I'm not exactly sure, but obviously it's the Halloween. But this is gorg. In this one was £3 for this actually. So this is not £1, this is £3. and I got this little pumpkin here, and it does, I don't know if you can see, but it's, oh, what's that down the bottom? So I think it's got caught on it. Yeah. Sorry for the flash, I should have warned you already, but yeah, this one flashes, and this is £1 as well. As you can see, it flashes, it's quite worth it. Yeah, so this was £1 for this one. And I picked up this cup Cauldron, yeah, and this was £1 as well. I thought it was quite good actually, because it's got the little feet down the bottom, and yeah, it's a good deal actually. £1 for that. And I picked up this one here as well, but this one is another Cauldron like that one, but it isn't exactly. This one's just got the flowers. This is what's in the shops now. This one is not £3, but it's £5 for this one, because it's got like the little flowers in it and stuff. So I just thought I'd show you this one, and it also got the legs underneath it as well. Yeah, and this is £5, so yeah, it's a good deal. And I picked up the other Gork one as well, this one, and this one here was £3 as well. I just thought I'd show you this one. There's another one as well, I think that one's got the red in it if I can remember, but I just thought I'd pick this one as well up at £3 for this. And I've also picked up this pumpkin cup, well mug I should say, it's a mug. So yeah, this one was £1 as well. I thought that was a good buy. It got the DO on it, which I thought was good. And this is my last one, and this is the pumpkin one as well, and this one was £5 as well. I do like this one because it's still got like the grooves on it like the pumpkin, and it's quite different. It's got the flowers, but I was well surprised on the selection of stuff that is in Poundland right about now, which is quite good, because I didn't see so much items like last year, but this year they're really coming up with a lot of stuff this year. So remember to like, comment and subscribe. I really appreciate it. And I'm also going to you know, I'm going to do a come shop with me as well attached to this video, so don't exactly go as well. I'm going to put that at the end of the video, so I thought I'd just let you know as well. So that's the Poundland haul on this one, and then I'm going to give you the come shop with me. So if you could like, comment and subscribe, but remember, don't switch off, because the video is coming straight after. Okay, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Hi, I'm back again. You know what, I forgot to show you these lights. These are little pumpkin lights, and these was £5. You get about 50 little lights, and they're like you know, they like fairy lights. Yeah, and this was £5 and you get 50. So I just thought I'd tell you this one. I nearly forgot about this one. So it was just staring at me, and I don't know why I didn't pick it up. But yeah, £5, which was alright, and you get 50 lights. So I just thought I'd tell you that one. So yeah, so if you can like, comment and subscribe, I really appreciate it about this haul. But I'm going to give you a come shop with me video as well straight after, so don't click off just yet. The come shop with me is going to come straight after this video. So remember to like, comment and subscribe. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Okay, thank you, bye.